Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Let's load our brain. Today, I am here to talk about the one and only active gold mines in India which is still operational. It's Hatti Gold Mines. As I said to you in previous video, it is located in Raichur district, Karnataka. What all will be covered in this video? History of Hatti Gold Mines, how it is started, quantity of gold produced, how gold is extracted, human resource, transportation facilities, amalgamation and takeovers and future planning. Let's have a brief history about Hatti gold mines. During the 80s AD, the Nizam of Hyderabad formally organized gold mining in this region on behalf of Hyderabad Company. Between 1902 and 1980s, 3.8 lakh tons of ore were mined and 741 tons of gold was extracted from those mines, which are greater than Kolar gold field. At that time, the mixture of crushed ore and water was passed through goat skin to separate heavy gold particles from lighter impurities. After about 40 years in 1920s, the mine had to shut down due to scarcity of funds. It was shut down for almost 27 years. After that, in 1937, Nizam has decided to re-explore mining prospects to promote employment when agriculture being the only other alternative means of employment. Even after deciding to resume, Nizam resumed it, but after 10 years in 1947 under the Hyderabad Gold Mines Company Limited. After this, in 1956, reorganization of states was done. The ownership of these mines was transferred from Hyderabad to Karnataka. That time it was known as Mysore, and the company was renamed as Hatti Gold Mines Company Limited. Due to lack of equipments, the employee of Hatti Gold Mines has to heat the rocks on means of fire and pour water for immediate cooling of rocks to break the rock into pieces, which was an human process. How gold is extracted from ore. The process in which the gold is extracted from ore is broken in the underground by drilling and blasting. The broken ore is sent to the mill where it is crushed and made into fine powder. This powder is mixed with water and passes over the tables covered with blankets which is made up of goat skin which trap the free gold. Coming to the achievements of Hatti Gold Mines. Hatti gold deposit occurs within 65 kilometers long, Hatti Musky Green Belt consisting of archy and metavolcanic rocks. In 1971, it was silver jubilee of this mine. At that time, the capacity was almost tripled from 310 tons of ore per day to 910 tons of ore per day. In 1997, after celebrating its golden jubilee, Hatti Gold Mines Limited undertakes a comprehensive modernization and expansion program to double its production by increasing its capacity at Hatti Gold Mines and conversion of copper unit into gold unit at Chitradurg, Karnataka. In 1985, two loss-making companies, Chitradurga Copper Company and Karnataka Copper Company, were amalgamated into Hatti Gold Mines Company Limited. In 2005, Hatti Gold Project and Hirabudni Gold Project development were started under Hatti Gold Mines Limited. The total ore reserve as on 31st-3-2015 is estimated to 9.39 million tons. This is the ancient mine from almost 2000 years ago at the times of Ashokas. But there is no proper proof of ancient times, so it is decided to take numbers into accounts from the times of Nizam. Till now, the total depth is estimated around 842 meters and extracts 8,000 tons of ore per year. Some latest milestones of Hatti Gold Mines are: in 2011 to 2012, Hatti Gold Mines processed 5.56 lakh tons of ore and extracted about 2,181 kgs of gold. The mining has extracted about 1,500 tons of ore every day and produced 7 to 8 kgs of gold from that ore. In 2018, Hatti Gold Mines Limited extracted around 1.4 tons of gold. Government of Karnataka is undertaking multiple initiatives to boost these figures, which would be a great boost for gold market in India. Coming to the human resource, according to 2011, Hatti Gold Mines Limited had population of 14,716 workers. In that, male were 51% and females were 49%. In this, 9% of manpower were children below 6 years. But now, as on June 1st, 2019, only 4,101 employees are working. There are 20 specialist doctors and 125 paramedical staffs. Transportation facilities. Hatti is well connected by roads to Bangalore, Hubli, Davangere, Shivamogga and many other cities. The nearest airport is in Hyderabad and domestic airport in Kalburgi. Nearest railway station is Raichur railway station. I want to conclude this video by saying that the Hatti gold deposit has been divided into three partitions: central, north and south. Central path is in now level 26, where other two are in 5th level and 6th level respectively. So government has confirmed for development of machineries for south and north part to reach their targets. Central part is not operational from 1920 when it was closed for the first time. So individuals are thinking to reopen the main mining by the end of 2025. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and learned something new, then like, subscribe and share. Hit on the bell icon so that you won't miss any opportunity to boost your brain.